Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text in Capcut. Start by opening your project and tapping text to add a new layer, then type your copy and press Done. Use the Style menu to pick fonts, adjust size, color, and alignment for clarity. Move and scale the text on the timeline, apply entry and exit animations, and preview to ensure timing feels natural and readable for viewers. In this video, I will explain how to text in Capcut. Select your text layer and explore the style settings to pick fonts, weight, and colors that match your content. Add stroke, shadow, or background to keep words visible over complex footage, and tweak tracking and line height for a clean look. Consider pairing two complementary fonts and limit decoration so viewers focus on your message without distraction. In this video, I will explain how to text in Capcut. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after long edits, because great scent boosts your mood on long creative sessions. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to text in Capcut. Align text clips to audio or cuts so each line appears when you want it to, and keep durations long enough to read comfortably. Choose subtle animations like fade or slide for entry and exit, and use keyframes for custom motion across the frame. Always preview at full speed to confirm timing and readability before exporting your final edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.